Of course, you're going to need a tea leaf. You could use aspidistra foliage. There's any number of different types of foliages that you can use. On this tea leaf, I'm going to take and just cut it in the back here, whoop, like this. And then I'm going to strip this down, just like this, taking the spine down. See that? Pulling the spine down, down, down. And then what I'm going to do is take a piece of this off here, and I'm going to take and fold this over. So it's like folded in half. And then I'm just merely going to take this and roll it very easily. And then I'm going to come under and fold it under. It's just like making a little ribbon rose. And you keep folding it under and under and under and under. Keep folding it under. And I give it a couple more little twists like this. When I get to the end, I'll hold this tightly next to the stem. And then I'm going to take a little piece of tape, and I will tape this around really nice and tight. Now, I don't have any China berries or berries to put in the center, but sometimes we will put a little berry in the center, but you don't have to. And then here, I just take this and I'll cut that out. And then you're ready to put this into a bridal bouquet or a bud vase or whatever you'd like to do. So let me make another one for you. Once again, I'm just going to take this and split the spine a little bit, then pinch this here and pull it down. Okay. I have a lot of really beautiful photos that I've taken over the last couple of weeks that we'll start putting on Facebook here real quick. I'll be start doing that tomorrow. So then what we want to do with this, okay, take this, tear it down, and then what you're going to do is take this and fold it over, give it a little twirl here, and you're just going to start going under, fold it, under, fold it back, under, fold it back, keep going, fold it under, fold it under, okay, fold it under again, keep going till you're just about out of the leaf here, and then just fold it back, tuck it under here in the bottom. Get yourself a little piece of tape. You could use Oasis waterproof tape or use a little bit of bouillon to do this, so whatever you have that's convenient and handy. So I hope everybody's using their face masks when they're out in public, and want to thank Lori Lemick for sending Kathy and I these beautiful masks. So there's just a couple of the little tea leaf rosettes. Once again, aspidistra foliage works great. Marantha foliage. You can use flax, palm. I'll be showing you some more hands-on things next week. So have a beautiful weekend. Send you love, blessings, joy, wellness from Southern California. And Kathy says to say hello to everyone too.
Hello.
Hello. Goodbye. Have a great evening.